Pixel 8 offers a fresh, modern design with a clean satin finish, which Google claims to be scratch-resistant glass leveraging Glass Victus on the back of the device and the cover display. The Pixel 8 is also IP68 dust and water resistant. It now has an Actua display. This vivid 6.2-inch Actua display is actually much brighter than the Pixel 7's display. At up to 2000 nits peak brightness, you can easily see this display outdoors and in direct sunlight. It's also super smooth with a dynamic refresh rate of 60 to 120 Hz. The display, I would say, is honestly the biggest and best upgrade over the Pixel 7 of last year here on the 8. Connectivity wise on the Pixel 8, while equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and the latest in wireless bands, I'm still plagued by inconsistent modem and connectivity issues that I've seen on previous Pixel 6 and 7. Issues that I don't have on any other Android device or iPhones for that matter. I've tried multiple carriers from T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, and a handful of MVNOs like Visible, Mint, and Google Fi, but nonetheless, it's spotty in areas where I usually have excellent coverage. It's rather frustrating, and hopefully this is an area of focus for Google next year on the Pixel 9. When a phone can't phone, it's a real challenge to recommend regardless of how much AI and specs you cram into a device. I've seen these same issues with the Pixel 8 Pro as well, so just note this isn't just specific to the 8. Right away, I noticed battery isn't as great on the Pixel 8 nor the 8 Pro, honestly. Possibly after a few months of Android updates and maybe once Android 15 drops, battery will have improved over time, but at this moment, I find myself charging midway throughout most of my days. It also doesn't charge super fast like many other Android devices, so be prepared to have a battery pack for those extra productive days on the go or plan to top off before the end of a long day. Performance-wise, Google Tensor's G3 chip is custom designed with Google AI for cutting-edge photo and video features and smarter ways to keep it running efficiently and fast throughout your day. I haven't found this to be as good as Snapdragon chipsets, so I do wish Google would return to Snapdragon. After years of, attempts with Tensor, I'm still not super pleased with it, and I really would hope that, like the Pixel Watch 2, maybe Google goes back to Snapdragon. Camera-wise, we have a 50 megapixel wide camera, a 2 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.5 megapixel selfie camera. Google flexed a ton during their keynote, and they continue to flex their AI capabilities. There are so many camera features packed into the Pixel experience, like Magic Editor, Best Take, Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Motion Mode, Night Sight, Astrophotography, Top Shot, etc. for example. However, rather than share a bunch of AI altered images, I wanted to share images that are captured just via quick point and shoot to give you an idea of what everyday photos may look like from the Pixel 8 versus flexing all that AI that Google and other reviewers spend so much time emphasizing. Here are some samples though. Let me know your thoughts, of course, in the comments down below. Pixel 8 will cost you $699 US dollars at retail pricing. I think the Pixel 8 compared to the Pixel 8 Pro, which will run you an additional $300, is a better overall value if you're looking to go with the Pixel as your main device. I personally don't think that the 8 Pro offers $300 worth of better features than the regular 8, which really makes it hard to justify that price jump for most. Overall, the Pixel 8 is the best Pixel Google currently offers at an excellent price, providing the most value when comparing all of Google's current Pixel devices in their lineup. I enjoyed using the Pixel 8 the last few days. With the clean, bloat-free, yet feature-packed UI backed by Google's insanely intelligent artificial intelligence, it's an easy device to recommend, but with an asterisk that you may also experience modem issues limiting your connectivity at times, which is quite frustrating again when a phone can't phone. Let me know your thoughts though in the comments down below. As always, I look forward to the conversation. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.